By the way, it's also got custom lights at the front, so you don't need to buy lights for the bike because this comes with lights, amplifiers, speakers, everything you really need. Look at that. Change the tracks. So you change the tracks here. Pause, and then you just hoist your phone in here and you are off for your bike ride.